belt. Wake him up.
Wake up!
Oh, you gotta get him up. Yank on him.
What about food on table?
I don't know, try it. Wake him up, Tater.
Wake up! Wake up!
Get up, Pop.
Get up, boy!
Get up, boy. Hey, what'd you say was hanging out of his pants? Booty hanging out.
Wake up, boy!
Get on him. Get on his back. Maybe that's what he needs. Crawl up on there. Here, let me hold your juice. Let me hold your juice. Get him. Attack. Get him, Tater Monster. Get him, Tater Monster.
I do have a spine back there.
It'll be jelly now. Attack him. Get him, Tater Monster. Get him, Tater Monster. Tickle him. Tickle him in his arm. Pull his back hair. No, not that easy though. Oh, you gotta get him up. Pinch his nose. Maybe he'll stop breathing. We'll be able to sleep without him snoring. You getting him? Well, you need to jump on his butt again. Come on, you gotta work hard. Wake him up, Tater. Come on. Get that horsey up. Come on. Yeah, you can. You gotta keep working at it.
No.
Yeah.
Just wake up, Daddy.
Well, I guess we'll have to go without him, huh?
Yeah.
I guess so, huh?
Sorry that you can't play Daddy. Come on.
Maybe he can pull his boot off.
Yeah.
Yeah, try pulling his boot.